Pimp My Bike, brought to you by Buckle and Belt. Now, we're gonna go find some pretty ladies to interview.
And you already met my client, Stubborn Steve, even though he's a weakling. Now, let's go interview someone. My client would say pretty ladies like out here in New York. Not pretty. And I'm not a weakling, I'm not emotional, I'm not a fan of everybody except for me. I am
Cause it's a girls' night.
Let's go interview her.
I'm gonna get We're gonna play it.
Guys, it's Hannah Montana. Never mind about that fan emotional thing. I'm gonna hear Hannah Montana.
Yeah, I know.
Are you really Miley? Yes! She is Miley. She is Miley. Miley. Or
Oh my gosh,
it's not like Milo. It's more Miley.
yeah, but I'm a woman or a girl, whichever you want to call it. Cause you know I'm a teenager
So,
right now.
I'm here to interview you.
Oh, you want to interview me? I love interviews.
Well, if you want muscle.
Okay. Oh. Ooh. Hello. Hello.
I know. Anyways, you got your bike. Do you have one?
Actually, I have 12. Cause you know I'm Hannah Montana.
What would be your dream bike?
You know, probably I want it to be. It'd say Hannah Montana on it, and I want it to be like a big one. I want to have like a swimming pool and a hot tub in it, and then I want a driver so I don't have to drive it. So then to have a lot of room for all my friends. And oh my gosh, I love your teeth. Okay.
So
anyway.
you're asking for a car? I can make your bike into a car. Except the worker would have to do a lot of work. Hello.
Yeah, but also, excuse me. Ooh. So, this is a little tense. Okay, anyway, because I can get my masseuse to give you a shoulder rub. Okay, actually a full body massage. They're so good. Okay, so actually, I'd want, excuse me, please get away from the camera. That's my spot. Okay, so I want also a driver. I want to have lots of room for all my friends, and it will just be
Go away!
because it'll be a girls' night.
Montana's not my
It'll be a girls' night, just like GNO, my favorite song. And then I'll be talking to hey, and I'll be singing my song, and I'll be thinking of you, because I'll be, hey boy, don't you wish you could have been a good boy? Try to find another
I
girl
am
like
a
me,
good boy. I got my present for
Tell me when I
Christmas.
tell you it's time.
Hannah Montana, go away!
Me
I'm
to
not
tell
like
the
Hannah
one.
Montana anymore. She's
Well,
stupid.
I'm Hannah Montana. See you next time on Pimp My Bike, brought to you by Buckle and Belt.
Pimp My Bike is much better than Hannah Montana. She's evil.
Everybody makes it.
Yeah, I'm Stubborn Steve. He's a winner. I'm mad dog. I'm fast. But Matt, to conclude this clip, Pimp My Bike brought to you by Buckle and Belt. Yeah, go Buckle and Belt. We're gonna stay. Our next one, we'll show you who we're gonna do, Hannah Montana or the freaky cheerleader. Woo, freaky. And we will make the dream back for them.
Yes, so watch our show on TV, and then you will see who we're going to pick and what their bike is going to look like.
Well, anyways, keep your eyes open when you sleep because I'm going out for Now, canned peaches. What happened about canned peaches?
Oh, yes, I remember. Okay, so it was during one of the clips. I don't remember when because it was just so long ago. And so, yeah. So, Canned Peaches, they, like, dropped out on us. Because, you know, they're sponsoring us. And, yeah. And so, we're all just like, whatever. And so, apparently, this is our last show and our only show. So,
hey, we might make another one, right, Buckle? I meant Bell. Get so confused these names. I kind of lost my articles after that beat my butt, y'all. You see the muscles on that man?
Yes, of course, just like you. And so...
What did you just say? Did you just say I have no muscles?
No, I said
Look at that. Look at the muscle like that.
Oh, yes. Okay. Anyway, so yes.
Anyways, you wonder why we're looking different? Well, the thing is, what you don't wear stopped by. They shaved off his head and got him a new stylish hat. And there wasn't much to change with me, so they just shaved off all right here. And they dyed my eyebrows a different color.
Yes.
And now actually, I like my facial. I think I look much better like that.
I think you do too. You don't look as old. You look younger.
I think you looked better before.
Yes,
I think my girl and what you don't wear was right. We should never go into what you don't wear.
Yes.
Brought to you by Buckle and Belt. More like us.
Yeah. Okay, so yes.
So that cheerleader clip was lost by our canned peaches. So upsetting. But
I was on Pit My Bike.
You can watch the show.
Cheerleader. Yes.
She had a pack of bags. But if you watch the show, you're gonna be bound to see that hot cheerleader.
Yes.
I went out with her for a few years.
Who's lying?
No, I'm not.
Okay, yes,
That
I know.
Actually, my mom's related to her mom.
Okay, that's just weird.
Sorry. I just didn't forget to take my medicine this morning.
ADD, and ADHD.
So, Belle, that was a good clip, though.
Yes,
Like,
it was. I was
Hannah, oh my goodness.
I love her.
I'm gonna go see her with my two little boyfriends, and they're gonna see her go, nobody's perfect. I gotta look again and again till I get
Oh,
it
yes.
right.
And I want to see
Nobody's
Miley.
perfect.
I want to see Miley sing, 'cause it's a girls' night. It's alright without you. We're gonna play out.
Nobody's perfect. I gotta work it again and again till I get
And
it.
oh my gosh, did you see High School Musical 2 where she was on it? She had like
was.
black hair.
Hey, for y'all, our next show, we'll do a Disney interview just for you.
Just for you.
Just for you.
Yes, of course. Okay, anyway, that wraps it up with Buckle and Bell.
Hey, wait, I forgot to tell y'all.
What?
So, if you go to a certain website, Buckle and Belt, I'll give you the address later, like buckleandbelt.com or something like that.
Yes, we haven't quite got the name yet.
But if you go there, you can see a poll if we look better before or after. But we're both thinking before. See, look, they shaved my eyebrows really short.
Yes, they did. Okay, anyway, go to our website once we tell you the name. And so, yeah, it pretty much wraps it up. Okay, everybody.
Hey, wait. Me, Buckle Belt, we have to say something to you.
What?
It starts with two words. You know what it is? It's thank you. Thank you for watching our show.
Yes, thank you so much. It's just so hard.
We couldn't do it without you. Because the canned peaches, they quit on us.
Yes, and so we're not giving you a thank you, canned peaches. We are
Yes.
giving you a...
Don't eat canned
Don't
peaches.
eat canned peaches.
It is bad for the soul. And no, don't eat canned peaches. No, don't eat canned peaches.
Don't eat canned peaches.
No, don't eat
They're
canned
bad. Okay, everybody, thank you.
No.
Bye-bye.